What's going on, North Texas barbecue addicts? It's me, Kenneth. In today's episode, I've got two beautiful wild-caught tuna steaks from Six Brothers Beef Company. We're gonna get those bad boys seasoned up. We're gonna get the skillet scorching hot, and I'm gonna show you how to cook some awesome tuna steaks each and every time. I know a lot of people get nervous with these and kind of tend not to cook it, but I'm gonna show you a fail-safe way to do it every single time. So y'all stick around. Alright y'all, so we've got our wild caught tuna steaks right here from Six Brothers Beef Company. I'll have their information down below in the description box. These are really awesome, flavorful tuna steaks, guys. We're going to be quickly searing these up in the skillet today. We're going to hit it with some lemon pepper garlic from Suckle Busters. This goes great on a lot of things, but I love it on these tuna steaks. And I already sauteed up some green beans and bacon bits earlier with a little bit of minced garlic to go along with these tuna steaks, so that's going to be a perfect combination. Automatically you can smell that lemon on this tuna steak once we're putting this rub on here, so this is going to be awesome, guys. This doesn't take long at all, so just beware, or be aware I should say, that it's not going to take long at all. Pay attention to the edges while you're cooking it, and it should turn out awesome. So we're going to go ahead and let this set up for, I'd say, 2 or 3 minutes, and then we'll get to searing it up. Alright guys, so we've got our skillet heating up. We've got our tuna steaks right here looking beautiful. Let's go ahead and see what the temperature is in here. Right around 430 degrees, that should be perfect to start searing these beauties up. Let's go ahead and put them in here. Oh yeah, that's the noise you're looking to hear. I did spray this with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil spray, just to make sure nothing sticks. It's a non-stick pan, but to help out a little bit. What you're looking for, you can already see that band of color starting to form. We want that to go about 1/4 of the way up. And then once that happens, we're going to flip it and cook the other side to about 1/4 of the way up too, because I'm looking to have a nice raw middle on this tuna steak. So I'm going to let that roll for probably about 45 more seconds. You can see it's rising already, that color. It's smelling awesome. And in about 45 seconds, we'll flip this over. Alright guys, this is looking perfect. We've got a nice color on our tuna steak there. Let's go ahead and flip it over. There we go. Man, this is smelling awesome. We're going to serve this up, like I said, with some fresh green beans that I sauteed and some minced garlic, seasoned with salt, pepper, garlic, and a little bit of oil in there as well while I was cooking with some bacon bits. So this is going to be awesome. So we're going to let this other side down here cook up to, again, about 1/4 of the way up, and then we'll pull these bad boys off, set them on the cutting board and let them rest for about 2 minutes, and then we'll slice into them. So I'll bring y'all back when we're pulling these off. Alright guys, this is looking awesome. Look at that crust we got on our tuna steaks. Let's go ahead and pull them off here. Again, that's a quick cook, so just pay attention to the edges. Cook it how you like it. I'm going to pull this to the side, let it rest for a couple minutes, and then we'll cut into it and serve it up. Alright y'all, this really smells amazing. You can see that minced garlic and the bacon bits and our sauteed green beans. These tuna steaks look cooked perfectly. Let's go ahead and put this plate to the side here. I'm going to cut into one and we'll save the other one. Looks like the grains are running this way, so we're going to slice across the grain. And that's perfect. Check that out. Beautiful, beautiful slices. Exactly what I wanted. A nice sear on the outside, but a solid pink internal temperature. There we go. This is beautiful. Smells insane. Set this to the side. There we go. Put that in our bowl right here. I mean, you can't cook it any better than that, guys. Check that out. That is a thing of beauty right there. Alright guys, I'm going to turn the camera around and we're going to give it a try. Alright guys, just like that, real quick and simple, we've got some beautiful seared tuna. Nice sear on the outside, some awesome minced garlic, sauteed green beans with some bacon bits. I'm going to get a little bit of all this for our taste test. Check that out. Appreciate y'all for hanging out. Cheers, y'all. That lemon pepper garlic on this tuna is perfect. And again, all I did was season these green beans with salt, pepper, garlic. Got some real bacon bits in here and some minced garlic as well. This is amazing, guys. I highly suggest it. If you haven't tried tuna before, give it a try. Don't be scared. Again, cook it to how you like it. Appreciate y'all for hanging out. Until next time, guys, peace! Y'all keep on barbecuing. Try some tuna. You'll love it.